Hello, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to MUET Preparatory course, and in this video we're going to talk about the fundamental content of the MUET itself. We're going to look at how the tests are going to be carried out, what are the rules, what are the steps that you have to take care first before you sit for your MUET exam. So now, without further ado, let's proceed with the content today, and this is MUET getting you ready for MUET 5 Plus. Alright. For those who are not familiar with MUET itself, bear in mind that after 2021, there's change when it comes to the question format itself, and we're going to see on throughout the semester here. Alright, so first one, when it comes to MUET, we are using this test to test your skills, specifically in these 4 skills. We have listening, speaking, writing and reading. We want to see how proficient you are in using English language based on the skills provided here. Alright, as you can see here, we're going to look at by the skills one by one. So without further ado, let's look at the content for this particular video, which is going to be on the general rules. We're going to talk about test dates, registrations, the fees, the results, the component, and the CFR alignment to make sure you know what does it mean when you get certain band. Alright, so first one is the test dates. MUET usually being carried out 3 times a year, usually around March, July and November. However, the exact date and the exact registration date, you have to refer that through MPM website. Alright, and then when it comes to registration, if you are from UPSI, then you have 2 options. Option 1 is where you register through the institution itself, which is through Center for Language Competencies. Here in the center, we will assist you in registering everything for you. And if you want to take it as an individual candidate, you can do that also, but you have to handle everything by yourself, which means you have to buy the MPM pin by yourself at the Bank Simpanan Nasional. But if you are registering from our center, we will handle everything. All we need from you will be first a copy of your IC, and then your English SPM results or previous MUET results, and last one will be the proof of payment. Speaking of payment, how much you have to pay for MUET? So you have to pay 170 ringgit per candidate. This is of course if you register through the institution, which is through our center. Everything is included. We will handle everything for you. Just pay 170 ringgit and that's it. Alright, so when you can expect to get the results? You will get it after 2 months. Within 2 months after the last paper that you have taken. MUET this time around is quite different from MUET before 2021. Rather than we have band 6 as the highest, we have band 5 plus as the highest. So you have to see whether what band you need to graduate or what band you need for any specific purposes that you are dealing with, right? So these are the components. So previously before 2021, the marks for each skills are different, but this time around every skills will give you 25% from the final marks. So you don't really need to ask which skills you have to focus more. You have to focus on everything. It's the same nowadays. Alright, okay, when it comes to the CFR alignment, these are the alignment, meaning to say if you get MUET band 5 for example, how does that equivalent to CEFR or Common European Framework of Reference? Band 5 equal to C1 for those who are from TESOL. If you want to continue your career in education, of course, teaching English, you will need at least C1. So you have to look at your programs. What are the base? What is the base requirement that your faculty required for you to graduate? Alright, so you can have a look at it here, and I guess that's all that you need to know for MUET University English test. I hope you are well aware of the content and you can get prepared with the things that you have to do first before you take your MUET. As for this class MUET preparatory course, don't worry, we're going to look at part by part, skills by skills, and we try to our best to assist you in order for you to find out what will be the best strategies for you to answer MUET. Alright, that's all for this video. See you later.